Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have b square plus b square divided by b square is equals to b square, and we solve this problem for the values of b square. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method, you see here this b square is divided by left hand side. When we move this to the right hand side, it is multiplied by this b square, and it will be written as b square plus b square equals to b square multiplied by b square. So here we need to take common b square from here, and when we take common b square, we get the remaining values are 1 plus 1 is equals to, here you have b square multiplied by b square. We need to add its exponents, and it will becomes b to the power of 2 plus 2. Further we have b square times of 1 plus 1 becomes 2 is equals to b to the power of 2 plus 2 becomes here 4. So in the next step, we need to move the term 2 times b square from left hand side to the right hand side. This is positive term. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step, we need to take common b square from here, and when we take common b square, we get the remaining values are this is b square minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b square is equals to 0, and the second case is we write b square minus 2 is equals to 0. So from here we get the value of b is equals to 0 and 0. Because b square equals to 0, this means that this equation gives us the repeated roots, and that is 0 and 0. So these are the two first real roots of the given equation. And now in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So from here we move minus 2 to the right hand side, and we get b square is equals to plus 2. And now for the values of b, we will apply square root on both of the sides. This 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here b is equals to plus minus square root of 2. These are the other two real roots of the given equation. You see here, in this method we will get there are four roots of the given equation, in which two roots are repeated roots and three roots are distinct roots. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots be the solution, or is these roots be the extraneous root. For verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is b square plus b square divided by b square equals to b square. So here in this side we will be verify b is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to plus minus square root of 2. So first we need to verify b is equals to 0, and we substitute b is equals to 0 to the above both of the sides of the given equation, and it will becomes 0 square plus 0 square divided by 0 square is equals to 0 square, and this will become 0 over 0 form is equals to 0. So you see that in the left hand side we will get 0 over 0 form, and usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value b is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we will be called that b is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And further in the next step we need to verify b is equals to plus minus square root of 2. So that we substitute b is equals to plus minus square root of 2 on both of the sides of the above equation, and it will be written as plus minus square root of 2 and its whole square plus again we have plus minus square root of 2 and its whole square divided by plus minus square root of 2 and its whole square is equals to plus minus square root of 2 and its whole square. So here you remember one thing is that when we apply square on positive or negative term, it will always gives us the positive answer. So this means that the square of positive or negative becomes again positive on all of these cases. Okay. So after that we apply the square on square root of 2. So this will becomes here 2 only, and we get 2 plus 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is equals to 2. Okay. So we have 2 plus 2 becomes 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2, and this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we easily get here 2 is equals to 2. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value b is equals to plus minus square root of 2 is satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is plus minus square root of 2. So this is the only one. These are the solution set of the given equation which we get here in the first method. And now we again solve this problem for a second method. For second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is b square plus b square divided by b square is equals to b square. This is our given question statement, and now here we again solve this problem with a different approach or different technique. And in this method be the very quick or straightforward method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So we have b square plus b square becomes 2 times of b square divided by b square is equals to b square. This b square and this b square are gone, and we get here 2 is equals to b square. And for the values of b, we apply square root on both of the sides. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here b is equals to plus minus square root of 2. So these are the other two real. In the second method we will get these are the only two roots of the given equation, and in the first method we already verify that this root is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is uh, plus minus square root of 2. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.